Beauty Booster Injection Device with Redensity 1 Treatment Protocol. Supplies needed for treatment: 1 or 3 ml syringe of Redensity 1. Beauty Booster Kit: large side filter, cotton bowl filter, blue lure adapter, 9-point needle. Additional medical supplies needed: gloves, stanhexidine, gauze, sharps container, pain management if required. Make sure that your patient has signed a consent form and has been given post-care instructions. Please visit our Clarion Partner Portal for sample consent, pre- and post-care forms. Make sure to take before pictures so that you can monitor the patient's progress throughout the treatment series. A topical numbing can be applied to the patient's skin 30 minutes to 1 hour before treatment. Another great option is the use of Pronox. Please contact your local consultant for more information. For the treatment today, I will be applying a topical numbing. While the numbing is taking effect on the patient's skin, begin setting up your Beauty Booster device. Beauty Booster device setup for treatment. Insert the cotton bowl filter located on the bottom of the device. Locate the side filter, inlet, outlet, and insert the large side filter. Attach the blue lure adapter to the tip of a 1 or 3 ml Redensity 1 syringe. For this demonstration, I am using a 3 ml syringe of Redensity 1. Connect the 9-point needle to injector. Do not remove the blue safety guard. Only remove the blue safety guard when the syringe is securely connected to the needle. Correct way to attach the 9-point needle to injector. Unpack the 9-point needle from its packaging. Grasp the needle between the thumb and middle finger, with your index finger on top of the 9-point needle to hold the blue safety guard in place. To attach to the handpiece, maintain that grip of the 9-point needle between your thumb and middle finger with the index finger on top. Line up the bottom of the 9-point needle with the opening on the injector and push down. Once the needle is secure, double check to make sure the lure connector is aligned and secure in the U shape on the injector. Place the syringe on the injector and secure the plunger into the position holder. To adjust the position holder, use the back arrow button or the forward arrow button located on the injector. Insert the syringe with the blue lure lock to the lure connector on the 9-point needle. Secure the plunger into position holder. Slightly push the syringe to ensure a tight connection. Remove the blue safety cap. Press the forward arrow button on the injector until the product runs into the lure connector. Using the syringe screw dials, fasten the dials at both sides. Patient treatment selection settings. Select syringe size. For the patient today, I will be using a 3 ml syringe of Redensity 1. Select your depth. I'm using a depth of 1 mm for the face and 0.8 mm for around her eyes. Select your speed. Recommended speed for Beauty Booster injection device treatment with Redensity 1 is between 3 and 5, patient dependent. The speed ranges from 1 to 5, 1 being the fastest and 5 being the slowest. Select your dose in microliters. Recommended dose is 20 to 30 microliters. I will be using a dose of 20 microliters. Select your vacuum settings. Recommended vacuum for Beauty Booster with Redensity 1 is between 4 and 5, patient dependent. The vacuum ranges from 1 to 5. 1 is off and 5 is the strongest. Press the start button located on the injector to turn the device on. Using a piece of gauze, pull the trigger a couple of times to remove the remaining air inside the syringe and to confirm the patency of all 9 needles. Your Beauty Booster device is now primed and ready for treatment. Patient preparation. Cleanse the patient's skin and make sure to remove all the topical numbing. I'm using Teoxane's micellar solution. Micellar solution contains a special blend of powerful hydrating and soothing ingredients, which cleanses away impurities in makeup. Follow with the cleanse using stanhexidine prior to injection. Beauty Booster treatment protocol. Divide the patient's face into thirds, roughly 33 injections in each section. Our objective at this time is to inject Redensity 1 into the patient's skin, to completely blanket the face with essential nutrients to restore hydration and smooth fine lines for a fresh, more youthful glow. Hold the injector at a 90-degree angle, ensuring full contact of the 9-point needle on the patient's face. Allow the vacuum to gently draw the skin into the 9-point needle and pull the trigger. The unique 9-point multi-needle system maximizes the efficiency of delivery in the treatment area, ensuring accurate and even distribution of Redensity 1, combining the benefits of microneedling such as neocollagenesis and the benefits of Redensity 1, a non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid, which includes amino acids, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins to stimulate collagen production. A series of 3 treatments, 3 to 4 weeks apart, are recommended for optimal results. For maintenance purposes, the treatment can be repeated 2 to 3 times per year or as desired. On average, patients should experience minimal downtime. Most patients experience redness and small raised bumps at the site of microinjections. These bumps will diminish within 24 to 72 hours post-treatment. Some patients may also experience some bruising and blotchiness post-treatment, which will usually settle after 4 days. Once you've completed all 3 sections, use the micellar solution to remove any pinpoint bleeding off the patient's face. The micellar solution will soothe and hydrate the patient's skin. It also contains chlorhexidine at less than 1% concentration to ensure prevention of bacterial proliferation. Apply Teoxane's post-procedure to the patient's face. It contains ingredients such as Nutrizeme TM, which will reduce the signs of inflammation, calm and soothe the patient's skin. It also contains arnica, which will aid in reducing any bruising. I'm going to be applying the Color Signs Finishing Touch Protocol to our patient. The Finishing Touch Protocol can be incorporated as part of your patient's treatment. There are several procedures that hundreds of our top practices are incorporating the Finishing Touch Protocol. They include laser resurfacing, microneedling, injectables, chemical peels, IPLs. Please inquire with your local consultant if you'd like more information on the Color Signs Finishing Touch Protocol. Stephanie, layering and reapplication are important elements to successfully protect yourself daily from the harmful impact of environmental exposure. As I do the application, I'm going to walk you through the steps so that when you are at home, you will feel confident on how to use these Color Signs products. In the morning after you've applied your regular skincare, you're going to apply All Calm Clinical Redness Corrector. So what you're going to do is put 1 pump onto your fingertips, warm it up for about 5 seconds between your fingertips, and then you're going to pat it into your skin, gently spreading it, making sure you are applying it evenly. Once you've applied the All Calm, you're going to use this other multifunctional product that treats, corrects, and protects called Total Eye Renewal Care. You're going to do half a pump, and then you're going to apply 3 dots under both eyes and on top of both eyelids. Once you have spread the product using your ring finger, you're going to lightly press the product in, ensuring you've applied it evenly. This will give you instant brightness and physical sun protection. Now I'm going to move on to the Mineral Corrective Palette. This palette is 5 neutralizing shades to correct the look of imperfections, such as areas of more redness, pigmentation spots. There is a little cheat sheet on the back for you to use indicating what each color is for. I recommend a mix of the first 3 colors for your skin tone. Next, for continued sun protection, you will want to be reapplying your Sun-Forgettable Brush-On Shield at least 3 to 4 times per day. This brush is going to be your tool for reapplication. Reapplying every 2 hours is key to successfully staying protected. Right now, I will apply the Sun-Forgettable powder with goals. Now I'm applying the Lip Shine product. This will give your lips an extra added boost of hydration, an added layer of protection as it has an SPF 35, with a beautiful fresh pop of color for your lips. Last but definitely not least, I am applying the Hydrating Mist for a boost of hydration and to set the mineral protection I have just applied to your skin.